Hey guys, welcome to the Kidz Science Corner. Today I've got another awesome experiment for us to do. This experiment is called the Swirling Skittles. What you'll need for this experiment is you'll need some Skittles, you'll also need some warm water, and a plate that's only white, it doesn't have any designs on it. And don't forget, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Skittles and you're going to take some Skittles and arrange it around the plate. Make sure the Skittles don't come close to each other, make sure you don't put red and red together because then the design won't look really pretty. I'm just gonna arrange the Skittles. Okay, save that for later, or maybe right now. Okay, next what you are going to do is you are going to slowly pour your warm water inside the Skittles. You might not want to add all of it, but you can add some of it until it fills the whole layer. And now we wait and see what happens. Whoa, look at all those colors starting to form. That's so pretty. Let me pour a little bit here. I'm gonna make sure all the Skittles come together. Wow. This reminds me of the coral reef experiment, and this experiment has the same process of that experiment. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's diffusion. Look at all those pretty colors that are starting to form together. This design is so pretty. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the Kidz Science Corner. I hope you had as much as fun as I did doing this experiment. And I hope you guys do this at home too. And please send me pictures and videos if you do. You know I love seeing them. Well, bye!